Brief, accurate and important news of today's Monday. Ministry of Culture and Information says, yesterday Honorable Minister of Culture and Information Mullah Khairullah Khairkhwah laid the foundation stone for the construction of 50 houses in Kandahar province. Kabul municipality says an action has taken to restore about 100 acres of seized land in Bagrami area of 22nd district. The Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs says that they inaugurated a professional and technical education center in Kabul. In this center, those people who are recovered from drugs are given education in 5 professional parts. Supreme Court says the Farag courts passed 151 cases in addition to issuing 222 documents in 2 weeks. Ministry of Finance says, according to the request of the national traders, after this, in the custom, the Marif donation will take in the declaration form. The security forces of the 1st District of the Kabul Police Command said that they have arrested 6 people along with 3 pistols, a car and 5 mobile phones. Ministry of Hajj and Endowment says the 8th convoy of pilgrims from the Central Zone arrived to Kabul today from Jeddah Airport, Saudi Arabia.